6 signs that your partner is fully committed to you. What are the 6 signs that indicates that your partner is fully committed to you? These 6 signs are very powerful. Once you see and notice them, that is when you will know that your man or your woman is fully committed to you. But before I proceed on this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be a member of this family and to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. But before I continue, once again, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, online dating advice for women, and relationship advice for women. So if you like all these kind of videos, subscribe to this channel once again, because you are on the right channel for all those videos. So let's continue. Before a man will indicate all these signs, it proves that he is crushing on you. It proves that he has so much interest on you. Before a man will express or come up with all these signs, he has made up his mind that he loves you. So once you see all these signs, believe that this man is crushing on you, and believe that this man is really committed to you. What are the signs? Number 1 is that he will always like to be with you, anytime, any day. At least 6 times in a week, he must be with you, talking with you, smiling with you, chatting and playing with you. That is a sign that this man is fully committed to you. Number 2 is that he will like to motivate you. Motivation in the sense that he will like you to be prosperous in life. He will want you to achieve great in life. And how do he want you to do all these things? Is through motivation. A man that truly committed to you, a man that is truly committed to you, must learn to motivate you. That person must motivate you to become somebody, because once you become somebody, it definitely shows that you might be his own. And once you are his own, that his effort of motivation is not in vain. So a man that loves you must motivate you. Once he motivates you, he will help you and guide you to achieve your dreams. Number 3 is that he will take you to his family members. Why did he take you to his family members? He will like you to know his family members, and his family members will know you as well. This indicates that he truly wants to be with you, and he is fully committed to you. This is a perfect sign, because his people now know you. Anywhere they see you, they will recognize you, they will greet you, and they will show that love, and they will show concern over you. This trick and this sign is very powerful. Do not neglect it. Anytime you are dating a man, make sure that he takes you to his family member. That is a great sign that he is crushing on you and he loves you. So number 4 sign is that the man will always make you to see his friends, his own friends, because the more the friends sees you, the more they are making that bond between you and your man. The more that they are creating that feelings between you and him, the more that they are motivating him to get you more. So make sure that you allow your man to show you his friends. If it is a good friend, you will know. If it's a bad friends, you will know. So make sure that your man showcase you to his friends. It is a perfect sign as well to show commitment, or to show that he is truly in love with you. The 5th sign is that he will learn, or he will provide for you. whatever you want, whatever you need, tell him. He would like to provide those things to make you happy. Do you know that provision helps to generate happiness? Provision also creates bond, because a man that loves you will provide for you, and the more he provides for you, the more the love between the two of you are increasing. The more the love between the two of you is increasing. So any man that loves you must provide for you. So number 6 and the last sign that a man or your man is fully committed to you is that he will always pray with you. He will always pray with you. Prayer can help to bond or join two of you together peacefully. Prayer can help to discourage cheating between the two of you. Prayer helps to increase the hope of love between the two of you. So any man that is fully committed to you will show a sign of liking to always pray with you. The more the both of you prays together, the more both of you are growing love between the two of you, and the more the both of you discourage misunderstanding, divorce, and the more both of you encourage love and success. So any man that loves, or any man that is fully committed to you, must always like to pray with you, not him praying alone or you praying alone. He will like, or your partner will like to pray with you always, because the more both of you pray, the more both of you are creating a strong bond between the two of you. The more both of you are creating one heart, one mind between the two of you. So any man that loves you, or any man that is fully committed to you, must show all these signs. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks. See you in my next video.